Hedera has created a service. I think it's a genius service because it created I think 4 years ago or 5 years ago. This service gives the possibility to the developers to create topics, uh, on-chain topics. This on-chain topics are created using this service. Using the service. Using this service, topic create transaction, and just you need to add like a memo, like the title of this topic. I think you need to think about is like a forum, and the forum is created using the topic is created. This is a forum. So, for example, on Reddit, users will the administrator or one user will create a topic and gives this topic a title, and there is another person's other user or other persons that they will submit a message on this topic. And the idea here is created, and the idea here is that this messages and topics will be on chain. So is like a consensus timestamped and immutable. And these messages and topics will gain the advantages of blockchain. So you can't delete it, you can't remove it, and you can't update it. No, you can update it, just update, but using the service of Hedera. But the update will be appear on the Explorer. So here and user will can use this service to submit the message and just add the topic ID. So the message will be submitted on top of this topic ID. Those two services will be we will use a client or will use an operator with a public key and a private key, or account ID and private key, to sign this transaction, to add and to subscribe this transactions on blockchain. After that, after the appearing of OpenAI, there is a lot of developer or of that we will they will talk about they talked about the internet of agents. So to create internet of agents, you need a method to give the agents the possibility to communicate. How to give them this possibility and to let agents talk to another agent. Idea here is just using the HCS of Hedera. So to create an internet of agents, you need to create the first step is to create agents. The second step is to let them communicate between each others. And so to create agents on Hedera, we have two possibilities. We have two SDK. The first SDK is Hedera Agent Kit, developed by the Hashgraph devs, and this SDK just gives the possibility for developers to create agents. Just the agent will use a private key and account ID to sign transactions and be autonomous or not, because also they give the possibility make a semi-autonomous agent, but let's focus on the autonomous agent. Here, for example, we will use the LangChain to give them the possibility to talk with LLM and get the talk with LLM with a simple method, and get the response, and like to communicate with the LLM, but not with other agents. So here to create this pipeline, we need just to use maybe use this SDK,
Hatem, I
Hedera agent.
guess
Yes,
in the
yes.
meantime, we have like a couple of questions in the chat. Do you prefer, first of
Yes.
all, do you prefer like live interaction, or you complete the section, then the community can ask their questions? And the second
I
part,
think
if you can share, yeah, the second one,
okay.
just to finish, if you can share with the community the GitHub.
Yes, of course. Okay. Uh, can ask question in a simultaneous way, or okay. The GitHub link. Yes. The second one is how we jumped from topic to agent AI. Okay. We don't jump from topic to agent AI. Just when people think about creating agents and creating internet of agents, the developers of Hedera think about an internet of agent. And when you think about the internet of agent, they need a method of communication between agents. So they use this HCS to create to give the possibility to agents to communicate between them. Yes, the way like a forum, uh, creating a topic and sending messages, etc. So they use this to give them the possibility to agents to communicate between them. So we have two possibility to create agents on Hedera. The first I shared with you, just uh, giving you the possibility to create the agent and to make the communication from scratch. So just here, uh, this SDK will use LangChain. I don't know if you know LangChain. So LangChain here is a possibility to simplify the use of LLM. So you can, for example, just putting the API of your preferred LLM, and use the LangChain service or SDK to initiate a chat model, because there is problems on LLMs, like you don't have like a memory, you can't store your context of agents, you can't create a session, etc. So LangChain gives this possibility to you. Just you need to use their SDK to initiate communication with agents, and use it, sending message to this LLM, just prompt, giving the role, giving the message, and you get the response. For example, here just here with Python, but there is also SDK with English. Oh, sorry, with JavaScript. And the SDK of Hedera use the LangChain, use the service of LangChain to give you the possibility to create agents with the capability to uh, to know the prompt of user using LangChain and um, to make an action. So here, if you go deeper into this example, so here you can find a lot of examples, LangChain, AI SDK, or Next.js also if you have application Next.js here. Also, you have like plugins. You can also create your plugin and insert on this SDK. And if we will go deeper this example, just here you need to initiate your operator, your client here for testnet, and putting also only the account ID and the private key. And after that, you will you will put all the available action from this SDK. For example, here create fungible token, create non-fungible token, airdrop, mint fungible token, mint non-fungible token, transfer each bar tool, create topic tool, submit topic messages, get and also get any information, any on-chain information, getting the query of balance or of the account, get the token balance, or also get the topic messages. Here, the developers of Hedera gives like a toolbox contain multi tools and just gives and just like these tools I put these tools with the prompt, and after that if we test this, we just need to send a prompt to the agent and the agent will make the action. So here I think it's very useful for many use cases. And I think many of you have a lot of projects that can use this SDK. And here this is the buffer of memory that I said. When you use and you don't have possibility to create memory, but here you can make you can use you need to use a memory buffer to save the chat history and all the input and output. And here the agent executor, just need to use the agent executor to tell agent to add the agent here, the agent that we are initiated with the toolbox and with not the toolbox, the agent that we initiate with the private key and the account ID, and adding all tools and memory. And and after that you just while true, because the agent will execute every time and get prompts from the user input and adding the prompt to the agent executor, and the agent executor will get the prompt, now the actions needed, and execute the action. There is a tool or the SDK, an SDK created by Hedera team, to gives you the possibility to create agents and gives the agent the possibility to be autonomous based on any prompt. So here, okay. So can you take an example? We create a topic in HCS, then we integrate agent in that topic so he can grab all messages from that topic Yes, maybe. No, your understanding here is not very good, but no problem. So the HCS now is an example of what an example of of the service of Hedera that we'll use after now. But what I said, so I gives you two SDK to create your agents on Hedera. The first one is made by the Hashgraph team or the Hashgraph dev, and gives you the possibility to create your agent and create an autonomous agent, interact with your preferred LLM. You can use LLM like Claude, like Gemini, like OpenAI, like Llama, and also you can use any other type of LLM. There is like LLM providers like Together AI or Grok. So here you can use just LangChain. LangChain gives you gives you a toolbox and a prepared SDK to give you the possibility to simplify your user your developer journey during using LLMs. So just you need just to initiate your LangChain and adding your model, your preferred model, and finally just sending the message and the getting the response. So here every tool, every AI tool or every agentic tool now use LangChain. So you will when you enter on this topic, you will find this name a lot of time. LangChain. So this is what LangChain is made for. So just simplify the possibility to use LLM and getting memory and making memory and also getting the response and getting graphs, etc. So here here the so here there is like a commercial part, and here there is like an OS and the part of open source part or the community part, just integration and using LangChain and LangGraph. On Hedera, we just using LangChain just to initiate the possibility to initiate communication with simple communication with the LLM. If there is any other question here, or there is any question? Okay, so let's move on the this 15 last minutes or 20 or 20 last minute. We talking about the second way to create agents on Hedera. So to create agents on Hedera also with the possibility to create like internet of agents, gives them the possibility to communicate each others. We can use this infrastructure created by Hashgraph Online. Hashgraph Online created standards to give the possibility to agents to communicate. They begin from the just decentralized topic to giving the possibility to agents to communicate until they gives the possibility to developer to create agents, to create the entire agent with their profile on chain. For example, you have an agent that grab the data from Hedera Explorer, for example. You need to inscribe all this profile, giving him a role, giving him an avatar image, etc., and send it on blockchain. It can be like an NFT, but it's not an NFT, but is metadata inscribed on chain, and I think also is very useful for many use cases, and you can use it for many AI use case. So uh, also I have and the HCS 10 is the standard, the responsible on communication between agents. Algraph Online is just made like a standard. So inscribing the topic, adding just a format of topic, uh, an unified format of topic, and use some function from SDK, from their SDK, to letting agents find this messages from the mirror node of Hedera. I think I have an example of code made by me and by by Claude Code. So is very difficult to create with AI because the AI don't know the documentation. The documentation you need to send them to send the documentation to Claude Code, and you need to talk with Claude and send and try to test and debug and try to change some things to on the final thing to that you need to just after that you can after that you can successfully create the profile and making them talking together. So I will send you also, but after this meeting, I will send you the place or the GitHub that use this profile, the HCS 12 and the HCS 11 and HCS 10. So here just here we are creating just a function. Here just I will send to the I will initialize I just show you the show you what I will send to the endpoint. I need just to create a metadata for this agent, giving this agent a role, profile, a name, a description, what he will did, etc., etc., and if he will use the LLM GPT-4 or he use Claude, etc. So here I will prepare a profile, a metadata profile, and inscribe it into Hedera blockchain. So here, so this is an agent model, so we will not talk here. It just to create the agent, you need to use this function, create agent HCS 12. I will create it, and this function will create the agent and inscribe it on chain. So here you need to use HCS 10 client here, uh, putting the network, the operator ID, the private key, and the registry. Here, if we have a registry, or we use the Moonscope tech, and false and the log level if you want to put info or put warnings or errors, etc. And to create your agent or your profile agent, you need to create two topics: the inbound topic and the outbound topic. One for what the one created for the what the user will send, and the other what the agent will send, and the other for what the agent will receive. So you need to inscribe this two topic, and also you will create the topic memo. So you need to create a topic, but here the trick, because the standard here is on this format. So you need to create a topic using this format: HCS, the ID of the standard here 11, HCS, and the resource here the protocol standard here, and the resource the resource here. If you also the protocol standard is 11, and here also the in here because inbound, and for the topic the outbound topic, you need to make out, so out and in. So here this is the standard you need to use to give this to because the agent is a machine, so he need to know some things, to some like some ID or some standard to know the other agents and to send him a message, etc. And after that we create a topic, and here create the out topic, here also out. And on the last time, the last step, we have this profile. This is the HCS profile. So this is the profile of the agent. What's the standard? What's the version? What's the type of agent? And what's the identity of agent? Here, for example, the name of agent, the display name, the avatar of agent, his role, his description, the organization that he work on it. And here also this is all the metadata. Also we put identity of the network, because after that it can be another network. Here the metadata: Hedera account ID, the private key, etc., and the type of communication, and what's the inbound, outbound, and the capability of this agent, what he will do, conversational AI, and here you add this to give to put the capability to put the capability of this agent, and etc. Many multiple of data. And also at the final step, we need also to add the AI model. What this agent, what's model use this agent? If, for example, he use GPT-4, or he can use it also another type, Gemini, Claude, etc. the English, the language that he know, etc., etc. And after we prepare this, all this data and all this metadata, we just send a message using the HCS 10 client with the endpoint topic ID and the deployment message and the output. We send also a message with the output, the outbound topic ID with the registration message, and that's it. So the idea here is to create profile of an agent and gives him the capability and make him that he work on an organization, he has some capability, he has a role, and make this agent on chain, and make like an input and output for the communication, and that's it. So there is any question here? Yes, of course. I will send you the repository of this code. I will share now. Why? You know, GitHub. Okay, this is the second. Okay, please give a user use case of users why two topics is the topic only one way. An agent cannot read and write in same topic. So here the standard of open of Hashgraph Online is made like this. So the architecture is made like this. They made two topic, one for the input and the other for the output. So the messages that the agent receive will be stored on the topic ID on the topic input, and the messages that the user will send will be put it on the output. So after that, the automat will can find these messages, and you can find these messages, and you can display, etc. For the use cases of users, it's a lot of use cases. For example, on the DePIN, if you have a project on the DePIN, for example, you have many IoT devices. Those IoT devices need to send events on their host, for example. So you can use this infrastructure, and it made the communication very simple, and the communication on chain very simple. Because if you will use the HCS only the HCS topic message, it will be very hard to get these messages. But if you use this Hashgraph Online infrastructure, it will be very simple to not to integrate. The integration is some tricky and some difficult. But if you make it once, it will be very simple. So I shared with you the code. Just you need to find the input. You find two endpoints. The first endpoint is just I will and just I will send you the two endpoints. Uh, endpoint is submit message, and the other one there is a function is an initialize to create initialize to create the agent. The second one is submit message. So those two function initialize agents. Function is initialize functions, initialize agents. So just you need to search it, and just this function. This function is to create the agent, and the last one is to submit a message. So submit a message from agent A to agent B. Submit evaluation message. This message, this function will send. You just need to add to put the agent A and the agent B and the message. So the message will be sent from the agent A to agent B, and the message the agent B will respond. And here the messages will be before they send to the agent. They will treat the LLM will treat the message and send to the agent, and the agent will treat the message and respond. So this is the trick. So I think I finished it. So if there is any question, please tell me. An agent in your case is a boosted employee, and we use Web3 HCS to store communication and exchange mixing AI. Yes, yes. This is the idea here. So our idea gained on the last Hedera Hackathon. We win the second place on the last Hedera Hackathon. The idea here is when the agent match make and find an employee or a candidate that fit with the post, with the job, the agent will bid. So he send a message on the master agent, and tell him that this candidate, I am interested by this candidate, and I will bid, for example, 500 token, or 5 each one. And the master agent will respond, okay, your bid is approved or not, because there is another agent has bidded more than you, etc. So so here we combined the AI with the Web3, and gives the agent the possibility to communicate, sending, creating a use case and a scenario, etc. Yes, I think we have. I can send you the link of the website, and if you need anything else, send me on DM on LinkedIn, or on mail. I can send you my email or my LinkedIn, and you can you can send me what is for any okay, very good, thank you. So if there is any other question, please send me on LinkedIn. I respond to everyone. Thank you very much, and hope this this training passed good, and so good luck for thank you very much. Many thanks for you, and please, if there is anything, send me DM, and good luck on your projects on the Hedera Hackathon. Thank you very much.